Another way that you can look at the distribution of your data is to look at something called the quartiles. When you have your data and you have all of your data elements, your median is right in the middle. Now, if you take the quote-unquote median of your bottom half and your median of your top half, we call those quartiles. Those are breaking up chunks of 25%. And so you can have your quartile 1, which is your first quartile, and your quartile number 2, your third quartile. And so you're breaking up your chunks of your data into groups of 25% or quarters. What this can do is give you a picture about where your data is and if it's skewed to the left or if it's skewed to the right. Just so you know that you can take your minimum value, your first quartile, your median, your third quartile, and then your maximum value, and you get what's called a 5-number summary. And looking at those values of that 5-number summary can give you an idea of the distribution of your data. Then you can take this and you can create what's called a box plot. Now, have any of you ever done a box and whisker plot before? So you kind of know what I'm talking about, right? Now, a box and whisker plot is simply just a graph of your 5-number summary. And what you do is you create 5 lines relative to each other that mark off your quartiles. Your median, your max, and also your min. And then you box off your quartiles like this and like this, and then you do your whiskers to the end. Whoops. Except for that part. Right there. Again, this represents groups of 25% chunks of the data. So 25% is here. Oops. 25% is here. 25% is here. And 25% is here. Okay? In some iterations for your 5-number summary, you may have it as Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and then Q4. Let me write it down here again. This is the same as your 5-number summary. That's just a different way of writing it where you actually number out the quartiles. But Q0 is your minimum value. Q2 is your median. Incidentally, there is a symbol for median, which is X with a tilde on it. I don't use it that much. You need it as you go. You may see it in other locations. I'm going to bring up the presidents here. So I've got some height data for my presidents. If you want to do a 5-number summary in StatCrunch, this is how you do it. You go to Stat, you go to Summary Stats,